This review is for some Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Okay, let's open the box and see what we get. So there we go. Now this is really important that you understand the way these work. They are a bit like ear cuff earrings. They fit round the ear and that delivers the sound. If you look carefully you can see that the ear canal is quite away from the sound deliverer. I know that's not the technical word for it, but I think that describes it. And they are open earbuds. The idea is that you can hear what's going on around you as well as the music or sounds that you're playing. A lot of people don't appreciate that and they seem to think that they're going to cancel noise. They are designed so that you can walk into a shop and hear what the shop assistant is saying. You can walk in traffic and hear the noise. So do not think of them as being noise cancelling earbuds. So inside we have the case wrapped up and you get a very short USB-C cable. I don't like short cables. You have to end up on your hands and knees connecting your device to the plug socket. But there we go. I have plenty of decent sized cables. So, really solid box. Everything feels good quality. And you open them up and they just sit on the top there. And as I said, you can see that hooks around the ear and it stays in place with a spring. They're really comfortable on and the sound is incredible. I've got a number of earbuds